Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a little ghost. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a folding surprise ghost. This is a lesson that is gonna be for Halloween and I hope you're ready for it. We're gonna start on the outside of the paper and the first thing we're gonna do is a big letter U in the center. So I'm gonna leave a space here and I'm gonna do a big letter U. Like this, and I'm gonna try to leave the same space in each side of the paper. Okay, now let's cross the folding part and we're gonna go down and curve, and the same thing here. I'm crossing, I'm going down and curve. Okay, and I'm leaving a space open in between so we can do a curve that goes up and down and connects with this one. Now let's do the face. We're gonna start with the mouth, two U shapes together, and it's a small right over the folding part. And then we're gonna do the eyes with two big oval shapes. One. And we are going to do two oval shapes for the highlight of the eye. The first one is right close to the left side. And then I'm gonna do another oval shape smaller right here. And now we're gonna repeat that. We're gonna do one on the left side and one little one right here. And once you have those two, we're gonna fill with black. There. Now we're gonna draw our ghost as holding a little candy corn, and we're gonna start with his hands by doing a backwards letter C right here, and his hands are gonna be more to the left side. And now we're gonna leave a space and do a letter C shape, and this part I'm gonna do it a little higher, like an extra curve. I'm gonna draw the candy corn and I'm gonna do an upside down letter U between the two hands, and then we're gonna do a curve underneath. To make it look like the candy corn, we're gonna draw one and two lines right here. That's it for the outside part. Now we're gonna open the paper and we're gonna draw the ghost on the bottom. This ghost needs to be underneath this folding part, okay? So we're gonna cross and we're gonna do again our U shape, going to the other side and connecting with the folding part. Now this ghost is looking up with a very happy face. So we are gonna start with the smile. So I wanna go on the center. The smile is gonna be a little sideways. So I'm gonna start with a diagonal line like this. It's a little curvy. And then I'm gonna do a big U shape underneath. And this is gonna make it look like he has his mouth wide open. And we're gonna do a curve inside for the tongue. Now we're gonna do the eyes, and the same thing, because he's looking up, we're gonna do the eyes slightly higher and tilting a little. So I'm gonna do here next to the mouth my first oval shape, and here goes the other one, and you see they are actually sideways. Okay, we're gonna do the two oval shapes inside for the highlights. Okay, and now we're gonna color with black. Now that we finish this one, we're gonna finish the second one. So now this second one is gonna be on top of this folding part, in this part. We're gonna cross the folding part first, and we're gonna repeat the steps by going down and curve. The same thing we did down here. I'm crossing the folding part and curve. Okay. Now before we finish the middle, we're gonna do his hands that are holding the rest of the fabric. We're gonna do a U shape a little sideways right here. This is hand number one. Make sure you don't cross the folding part. And now I'm gonna do one more right here. Okay, so it looks like that. Now we're gonna trace this part and connect up, and this one is gonna curve and connect with the hand. And the middle part, we're gonna just go with a curve that goes down like this. Okay. Now there is a little bit more fabric here, but first we're gonna draw the candy that is falling off his underneath him. Now, but first we're gonna draw the candy that is falling. So I'm gonna start here with a candy corn, and I'm gonna do the same idea, kind of like a triangle shape with 2 lines inside. Here, we're gonna do a circle with 2 lines to make it look like a sucker. And I want to continue drawing this candy. Remember, you can change the candy that you want your ghost to have. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. This part of the video is gonna go a bit faster, but remember to stop the video until you finish this part. There, that's all the candy I want to put for my picture. Remember, you can add way more than this. To finish our picture, to finish our drawing, we're gonna do the line that cross in behind this, so it gives him a little bit of volume here. So it's the back part, and I'm just gonna pass the line in behind all this candy. And there, that's it. We finished this picture. There is 2 ghosts that are having fun with the Halloween candy. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Muy bien, yo voy a dejar mi dibujo así y ahora voy a terminar la parte de la sábana ya que tengo los dulces. Y lo único que vamos a hacer es ir un poco hacia arriba de esta esquina y voy a hacer aquí una línea que pasa por los dulces que yo tenga dibujados aquí. Voy a pasar esta línea por atrás. Y listo, terminamos estos fantasmitas que están jugando uno con el otro. Vamos a ver cómo queda cuando cerramos. Y así se ve cuando abrimos. Espero que te haya gustado esta lección y ahora sí viene mi parte favorita. Vamos a colorear. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my little ghost turned out. I think he looks super cute with these big white eyes and the rosy cheeks. You can add more candy around him. You can even put something in the background. You can use your imagination to finish this picture. Now let's check how it looks when we open. And here's all this candy coming into this ghost. I went with a darker gray here inside, so it gives him a little bit of a 3D effect, and you can understand that it's coming from underneath him. I really enjoyed this lesson. I think these 2 ghosts are super cute. Remember, if you want to share some of your pictures, don't forget to send me an email or share it on Instagram so I can repost in my stories. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!